Hello, my name's Ben and I got an apprenticeship 9 years ago and I'm a rough caster. GMG is good to work for, everybody's close together. You can talk about your problems and that, and there's good opportunities as well. As soon as I started my apprenticeship, I found it was a good job for me. It was hard work and I liked that, and I was keen. And after a year I got Apprentice of the Year. And then after 4 years I was time served and I've started to train apprentices myself. They can get the opportunity that I had, and I'll try and teach them the way I was taught, to work hard, because you're only going to get out of what you put in.
Yeah, I enjoy it. It's hard going in that sometimes, but it is good. I'm planning to stay with them, and hopefully within the next couple of years I'll get my own squad and that, and we take on jobs myself. But since getting out of school, I've been in and out of a few jobs, and it's good that GMG still gave me an opportunity even though I was a wee bit older than the rest of the apprentices. It gives people like myself opportunities when you come out of school to get into something good and get into good jobs.